My name is Uduikhue, founder of Datapoint Microsystems Ltd. Datapoint is an ICT company. We're into services and training. We've also worked with various corporate companies in carrying out ICT services. On that fateful day, October 20th, I just drove out of the office not quite long, and I got the information that the hoodlums they are in my office and a lot of things are going on. So I could not help because there's nothing you can do. But when I go back to office the second day, I found out that a lot of things have gone beyond, and it was very, very, very devastating, and we could not help it because we don't have what it takes to fight the hoodlums. It was just an email I got, and the email was something I responded to. I was really, really happy. I never expected it. I won't lie to you, I never expected it. And when I got that message that I should feel an acceptance, I called my staff. I said, look at what I got. And we looked at it. It was something that one need to continue to appreciate Stanbic for, because it's something that we've never ever for once expected. The funny thing is that as at the time this request came, my account with Stanbic was dormant. It was dormant not because I was not ready to do business with them, but because as at that period there was no resources to be able to run business as when expected. When we received the grants, we had to do some internal renovation within the offices, and at the same time we had a shop nearby where we could not able to do anything before the NSAS. Then we had to start the business over there, then buy schools that were selling there presently, and the business have been doing very well because we actually used that money to buy the goods which we are selling presently at the retail shop. Thank God that Stanbic has come in. I wouldn't want to say we would have been able to succeed, but we'll have just looked for an alternative. But I know the alternative will not be that easy the way it comes in with grants. When you are looking for alternative, it has to be loan, you have to pay, you have to calculate the interest and all that, which is not going to be easy. But this is just a grant. You are not paying back, and it's a lot of relief for us, and it has actually helped us to rebuild our business. God will continue to bless the management, the entire team of Stanbic IBTC for what they are doing for this country. Because if for me, I've gotten this, I believe a lot of other people have also gotten the same. And if you put this in place, it's a huge lot of money. And I so much appreciate it, and I believe strongly that we will continue to pray for the progress and growth of Stanbic IBTC. For me, I will continue to work along with them to collaborate and partner with Stanbic for a better tomorrow. My name is Uduikhue, the founder of Datapoint Microsystems Ltd. I am a proud recipient of Stanbic IBTC Rebuild It Together grant.